Right, so we've discussed Mario Barrios. Punta tayo kay Pacquiao, tapos tail of the tape, di ba? Last few lang kay Manny Pacquiao, no? We all know his strengths. We're all very familiar, kahit sino, di ba? Speed,
Yeah.
combinations, but that was peak Manny, di ba? Peak Manny yun. And now we're looking at a 46-year-old. Sabi ko nga, we might expect something new from him, no? So, let's go first. Tail of the tape. Ano nakikita mo doon sa tail of the tape?
Well, Man is facing a taller opponent, 4 inches taller than him, but it's not something new. Now, it's something pa nga that works to his advantage sa mga, based on his career record. No? Marami siya nakalaban na mas malaki sa kanya. No? Bigger reach, taller than him, bigger target for him. Especially, tall opponent suits Pacquiao's fighting style kasi na he throws punches, he moves a lot, uh, he wants close quarter fights, and then in and out, lateral movements. So yung height disadvantage ni Manny, baka ma-neutralize because of that. But the age, crucial yan. No? 30 years old fighting 46 years old. No? Tito, pwede na yan tawagin. Tito Manny.
Na yun.
No? So yun, with age, nandun yung stamina na kanina, diniscuss nga natin yun, the capacity to recover, no? 46 years old. But then again, Manny is an elite athlete. I'm sure he'll do everything to recover well and not lose it all sa training kaya nangyari kay Ugas. It's something that Barrios can exploit. He's still young, he can last 12 rounds, especially kung hindi naman siya masyadong tamaan ni Manny. His reach, he can throw a lot of jabs. He can use his jabs, he can widen the ring.
Like I said, yung insights mo will be very valuable for this fight because you've covered Manny when he was in his 40s already. No? Last 3 fights, 40s. Masyado nang maraming attention dun sa Ugas na fight because of course, natalo siya, di ba? So, malaking bagay talaga. But what people forget is that when he fought Adrian Broner, when he fought Keith Thurman, 40 na rin siya nun,
Yeah.
right? 40 na siya. So, you covered both fights. What kind of Manny Pacquiao did you see dun sa dalawang laban na yun?
Against Thurman, is a very good fighter. He talks well. Siguro na-challenge si Manny doon to really fight and break the record of being a world champion at 40, welterweight champion. And of course, suitable din yung fighting style ni Keith Thurman kay Manny. That fighting. In fact, napabagsak niya si Thurman. Combination na kinagulat din ni Thurman
Yeah.
sa body, no? With Broner naman, it was a lot of frustration for Manny because Broner doesn't want to engage. Parang masyado niyang inimbibe yung pagiging Mayweather. Disciple siya ni Mayweather. Na sobrang defensive fighter. Ayaw he doesn't want to throw punches na.
Oo.
So hindi nagamit ni Manny yung talagang gusto niyang gawin.
So, wala na yung yun yung problema. At 46, we expect na yung quick twitch na punching ni Manny won't be there. No? But, there's no reason not to expect na yung left straight niya tsaka yung right hook niya hindi makakasakit. Hindi naman pwedeng ganun, di ba? Medyo sharp pa rin yun, no? And like you kept mentioning kanina, parang tailor-made talaga si Barrios for Manny. If there's going to be a change in his style of fight, ano yung pinaka-significant? Hanggang saan pwede magbago si Manny as a fighter? And what do you expect that most likely will that change be?
I don't think Manny will make a big change do sa fighting style niya. No? Kasi probably his last fight of his career. No? Hindi na magbibigay yan. Magkakaroon lang siya ng medyo konting-konting adjustment. Maganda yung sinabi niya, ni Nonito Donaire na panood ko na he doesn't have to throw the special punches. Hindi, kasi mapapagod lang siya doon na hindi naman kailangan basta he'll be wise on the ring, throw the punches that count, and move a lot, make sure he's fit. Magiging maganda. It's going to be an interesting fight.
The fact that he hasn't scored a knockout since 2000.
No, the last was TKO with
TKO.
Lucas Matisse.
Oh, yung Matisse. But
2018.
2018.
40 na yun.
Close
no,
to
no.
39,
38 and 39.
38, 39. So, do you think he is capable of repeating that against Barrios?
Well, Barrios is a bigger fighter. It's a bigger, stronger, more energetic, and marami pang energy to na hindi kagaya ni Matisse. Si Matisse that time, hindi na ganun kagigil, hindi na ganun ka-active. No? So, tama, sinabi mo na tailor-made for money because it's big, the fighting style. He opens himself to counter punches. He opens himself to... Remember that when Barrios was knocked out by Gervonta Davis, the one telling shot that he received was body shot. Somebody from a shorter guy throwing a body shot at him. It was never the same again. Of course, eventually, kinount out siya ng referee nung tumama yung kaliwa uli ni Davis sa panga. Pero dahil nasakta na.
Yung set up the punch was the body punch.
Exactly, the same round, the 11th round.
And it's the same thing na you expect Manny to be throwing a lot.
Baka ganun man gagawin ni Manny. Diba?
Kasi, I mean, he does throw a lot of
Pwede
body
yung
punches, di ba? So, talk about his experience. What do you think Pacquiao's approach to the fight will be based on his previous fight in his 40s?
Well, he's been through a lot. No? He's been through all the opponents out there. Nilabanan niya lahat. Hindi siya cherry picking unlike other fighters.
Unlike some other fighters we know.
He should not be named. No? Ganun siya eh. Kaya alam na ni Manny yan. Kasama na naka-input sa database ni Manny yung kung ano gagawin. What will happen. Madali nang he can read his opponents well. Better, faster, and he can make adjustment on the fly. Sabi mo nga kanina. Na it will factor in yung the vast experience of Manny going into the fight. It will be a big factor.
Pero so if he wins this fight, if he makes history as the first boxer to win a world title after being inducted to the Hall of Fame, syempre gaganahan bigla to, mabubuhay na naman yung dugo, di ba?
God knows what he will do next.
Do you think he's gonna call out other fighters? Do you think he's gonna make another he's gonna push for another fight na kaya ko pa pala eh?
Pwede,
di ba?
Money,
Pwede.
no? Close, pwede talaga. He can extend his career, fight bigger, more, far younger boxers. Maybe move up in weight. Kilala mo si Manny, 14 light middleweight na, di ba? Against Margarita.
May experience na siya, oo nga.
Catch weight naman, pwede niyang gawin lahat eh. He can do everything.
If you were someone who knows how Manny Pacquiao fights, what's the attraction of this fight for you? No? Anong gusto mo makita kay Manny from this fight?
Yung iba, naisip nila, ako, parang train wreck to. It's like watching a train wreck. Nako, kung ano mangyayari sa'yo, matigas sa ulo, ayaw matapos, ha? Parang ganun tingnan ng iba, no? Pero of course, talagang papanoorin mo to, eh. I'm sure titigil na naman ang mundo, lalo dito sa Pilipinas.
Yeah.
Every time he fights, crime rate goes down. Baka ganun din ang mangyari. Most probably, ganun. Abangan nila. Win or lose, people will watch it. Especially if he wins. Na lalong mabuhay na naman yung stock ni Manny.
Age, experience versus youth, di ba? Yun yung that's what it all boil down to, no? In your experience, na you've been a sports writer for, sasabihin ko ba kung ilang dekada? Wag, sige, wag. You've been a sports writer for a long time, no? How does this play out? Usually, sino yung may edge when it comes to when it comes to this age versus experience battle, experience versus youth battles?
Yung experience counts a lot. Counts more. If you were going to ask me, his experience on the ring, what to do.
Especially sa mga big moments,
especially big moments, especially in crucial moments. It's much bigger factor than age.
If this fight, because syempre si Barrios, we pretty much can be assured that he's gonna try to drag this to the 12th round. No? How do you see Manny in that scenario?
Also going to be challenging for Manny, especially hindi siya fit. No? Pero if it's fit, no trouble for Manny. Kaya umabot hanggang dulo. Kasi You know him. He's disciplined. Still got the stamina in him. He's physically, mentally, and spiritually strong. Of course, gano'n na magiging game plan ni Barrios to drag it down. Drag it hanggang 12 rounds. But then again, you can si Barrios kasi hindi gano'n eh. Parang gusto niya highlight action lagi eh. Gano'n naman napapanood kong fights niya eh. Tignan natin kung if he himself can last that long.
I'm gonna put you on a hot seat, kasi pag ako ang gumagawa nito, patay na naman ako sa
Para ako
Twitter.
na ang mabasa.
Ikaw naman, di ba? It's your turn. Let's put bibigyan naman kitang chance mag-explain din, no? Who has the advantage in this fight? What's your fearless forecast?
I think if Manny is 100% fit, he has the advantage in this fight. Because the only advantage that right now Barrios has is his youth.
His youth na.
That's the only thing I can see. Probably his hunger, no? Because I will throw everything away to get this meal ticket. Ito na yun,
Ito na yun, di ba?
Yeah.
I think this is the fight that makes his career, di ba? Whatever.
If he's hungry enough to really bring the fight to Manny, he'll have the chance.
So, if you look at it, do you see, so sinasabi mo, Barrios will be an underdog in this fight?
Para sa akin, pero parang sa iba hindi yata.
Yeah. So, totoo naman. And then I think, based on what you said, no? So yung age lang talaga ni, it's only Manny's age that's gonna be crucial. And if tama ka, no, if he trains well, if he manages to capture some
If he's
of the,
100%, no doubt about it.
yung mga speed na ganyan, then he has the chance to do something special, no? Do you think na his inactivity will be crucial also to the fight?
Well, it's a factor, of course. He haven't fought professionally in 4 years, no? Pero he's kept himself fit naman eh. Kahit nung nasa Senate siya, kahit nung lumalaban siya sa YouTube boxing, fit naman siya eh. Polishing na lang, maybe techniques na lang ginawa niya sa LA the past 2 months. I think he's prepared for this.
Anong reception na makukuha niya from people? Kasi all of a sudden, hindi lang siya si Manny Pacquiao, pero may added interest na because of this comeback at this
People
age,
will be
di ba?
curious, no?
Oo, may curiosity factor na, di ba?
Not just the Pacquiao diehard fans, no? All the onlookers, no? Parang gusto ring makita what Manny looks like. Siguro naman ganun pa rin ang crowd, ganun pa rin ang reception. I will be welcomed. Kasi right now wala masyadong draw sa boxing, no? Aside from first the usual heavyweight. Sa welterweight wala masyadong draw. So ito welcome sa boxing world ito. Manny's comeback no matter what, kahit na 46 years old na siya.
All right, thank you again, Mark Reyes.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Pleasure.
joining us in this Inquire Sports special coverage of Pacquiao Barrios. Again, July 19, Manny Pacquiao's comeback fight out of retirement. Let's see what happens. And thank you for listening to this special coverage, to our special podcast. And please follow Inquire Sports for a more extensive coverage of the fight. Again, thank you, Mark. My name is Francis Ochoa. Thank you for joining us in this very special coverage.